Good morning everyone. Today, I will be presenting an overview of acids and bases and their services. We will look at the differences between acids and bases, the pH scale, and their characteristics, as well as why it is important to study them. Lastly, we will look at the conclusion of an experiment testing the pH of Pepsi, tap water, and drain cleaner. Thank you. Examining the differences between acids and bases as well as why it is important to study them is our objective. We will analyze the pH scale, explore their characteristics, and investigate experiments that test the pH of different substances, such as Pepsi, tap water, and drain cleaner. After that, we will take a deeper look at the conclusions of the experiments which provide understanding of acids and bases. This information serves as the foundation for further exploration of acids and bases. The pH scale is a numerical measure ranging from 0 to 14, that is used to quantify the level of acidity or basicity of a solution. A pH of 7 is deemed neutral, lower than 7 is considered acidic, while higher than 7 is deemed basic. The pH scale is utilized to comprehend a solution's chemical composition. The pH scale is a measure of the acidity or alkalinity of a given substance, ranging from 0 to 14. Values below 7 indicate the substance is acidic, while values above 7 mean it is alkaline. Knowing the pH scale is necessary for studying acids and bases as it indicates how strong the acid or base is, and lets us compare different substances. Acids have a pH ranging from 0 to 7, with the lower pH values indicating a stronger acid. Bases, on the other hand, have a pH ranging from 7 to 14. By grasping the concept of acids and bases and their respective pH ranges, we can acquire a better comprehension of experiments such as the Pepsi, tap water, and drain cleaner experiment, making the acquired results more understandable. Acids and bases are important components in our world. An acid is a substance that, when placed in an aqueous solution, breaks into positively charged ions that can be measured by a pH scale. A base is a substance that, when placed in an aqueous solution, breaks into negatively charged ions that can also be measured by a pH scale. Aqueous solutions are any solutions where water is the solvent. Understanding the reactions of acids and bases is important in order to better understand the world around us. In this experiment, we tested the pH of Pepsi, tap water and drain cleaner. Substances with a pH of 7 are considered to be neutral, with equal amounts of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. When testing the pH levels of Pepsi, tap water, and drain cleaner, any result higher than 7 is basic, and any result lower than 7 is acidic. The pH scale is utilized to determine the level of acidity or basicity of a substance. Anything with a pH value between 0 and 7 is classified as an acid, whereas anything with a pH value between 7 and 14 is a base or alkaline. Knowing the distinction between acids and bases is crucial when executing experiments and knowing the environment around us. Acids are recognized by their sour taste and can be found in everyday items such as lemons, vinegar, and apples. The level of acidity can be identified through the pH scale, with closer values to 0 indicating a higher acidity. When acids come into contact with metals, they will release hydrogen gas, while reacting with bases will create a salt and water. Knowing the characteristics of acids and bases is key in distinguishing between the two. Bases are known for their bitter taste, for example, such as that of milk of magnesia. This taste is due to their alkaline nature, with pH levels that are higher than 7, making them more alkaline than acidic solutions. In addition, bases can neutralize acids, color litmus paper blue, and carry electrical current. Acids and bases are integral to our lives, and it is important to understand the implications of their pH levels. For example, NYC tap water has a pH level of 7.4. This pH level offers insight as to whether a substance is an acid or base. As such, it is important to check the pH level of swimming pools periodically in order to guarantee its safety for swimming. Having this knowledge helps us comprehend our environment better and keep ourselves secure. We will be conducting a very interesting experiment to test the pH of Pepsi, tap water, and drain cleaner. The pH level is very important to understand the characteristics of particular substances, and what better way to understand the subject than to do a hands-on experiment. Take out your materials, and let's begin. Good luck. At the end of the experiment, pause to reflect on the importance of understanding the pH scale and the properties of acids and bases. Be grateful for having this opportunity to observe these characteristics and gain insight into how to apply their knowledge. Thank you for your attention.